call any police. Pick the properties and escape. It's either you call the police on this case or you walk past, leave her property. Call police now, they will feel as if you are the one that murdered her.
I must report to the police.
This laptop is for 1 million. But because I have somewhere traveling to so urgent, you give me 300,000.
Where's the receipt?
I told you now, I lost the receipt. Okay, just pay 250.
I'll pay 250 for laptop and not get receipt.
I'll give you 300. No problem, I'll take. Okay, this one I want to also sell it.
Hold it right there. Go. All right, you're under arrest for the murder of one Miss Sophia Igareva. Yes, and he even stole from her. Before the time. Hand over this exhibit to me. Hand over the thing. I did not. Hey, have you told me now? Don't you believe? You have got evidence.
Okay, let me tell you the truth. I did not take her life. I only stole from her and made her lifeless.
Let me advise you, young man. Be careful what you are saying now, because whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law. Now move.
The blood of Jesus.
You say they were.
Don't
arrest. Or buying stolen property.